Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how big is everything? Today, we are going on a journey to the very beginning of time. The universe is so big that we can only see part of it. We call this the observable universe. It is everything that light has had time to reach us from. The universe includes everything, all of space, all of time, and all the matter and energy within it. Let's explore. Hello everyone, welcome to Extra English TV, XET. My name is Shayu, and I'm your instructor, your coach, and your guide to mastering real American English. In today's lesson, we are talking about the universe. We will learn about how it started, what is inside it, and how it is changing right now. Our story begins 13.8 billion years ago with something called the Big Bang. This was the moment the universe was born. Before the Big Bang, everything was packed into a tiny, hot, and dense point called a singularity. Think of it like a seed for the whole universe. Then, in a fraction of a second, this point began to grow very fast. We call this expansion. The universe did not explode into space. Space itself started growing. As it grew, the universe began to cool down. This allowed the first tiny particles to form, eventually creating the first atoms of hydrogen and helium. For example, imagine a balloon. If you draw dots on it and blow it up, the dots move apart. That is like the expansion of the universe. Space is so large that we don't use miles. We use light years. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. It is about 6 trillion miles. Millions of years later, gravity pulled gas and dust together to form galaxies. A galaxy is like a massive city in space, filled with stars. There are different shapes of galaxies. This is a spiral galaxy like our home, the Milky Way. It looks like a giant rotating pinwheel with long arms. Other galaxies are oval or egg-shaped. These are called elliptical galaxies. They usually have older stars and less gas to form new ones. And some galaxies have no specific shape at all. We call them irregular galaxies. They look like messy clouds of stars and gas without a center. Scientists believe there are billions of galaxies. Our closest major neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy. It is 2.5 million light years away. Our sun is just one of 200 billion stars in the Milky Way. We are located in a quiet part of the galaxy called the Orion Arm. Now let's talk about the engines of the cosmos, stars. Stars are born inside giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Inside a star, gravity is so strong that it creates nuclear fusion. This is when atoms join together to release incredible light and heat. A star's life depends on its size. Small stars like our sun live for billions of years as main sequence stars in their middle age. When a star like our sun runs out of fuel, it expands into a red giant. Later, it sheds its layers and leaves behind a small core called a white dwarf. But massive stars end their lives in a giant explosion called a supernova. This explosion spreads new elements across the universe. After a supernova, a massive star might become a very dense neutron star or even a black hole, where gravity is so strong that light cannot escape. Remember, our sun is a star too. It provides the energy for all life on Earth through that same process of nuclear fusion. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago. It consists of the sun and everything that travels around it. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky and small. They are closest to the heat of the sun. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are massive. They are called gas giants or ice giants because of what they are made of. One of the most amazing discoveries is that the universe is still growing. Galaxies are moving away from us every single second. Scientists found that this expansion is actually speeding up. They call the mysterious force causing this dark energy. It pushes the universe apart. There is also dark matter. We cannot see it, but its gravity acts like cosmic glue to hold galaxies together so they don't fly apart. In fact, everything we can see, stars, planets, and even us, is only 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. Isn't that incredible? Let's review our vocabulary. Universe is everything. Big Bang is the beginning. Singularity is the tiny point where it all started. Expansion means growing bigger. A galaxy is a city of stars. A star is a ball of burning gas creating energy through fusion. A supernova is an explosion. A black hole is a place of extreme gravity. Our solar system is our local home around the sun. Finally, dark energy pushes space apart, and dark matter holds things together. These are the mysteries of our cosmos. Here is another English tip. Expansion is a continuous process of growing. Space is still expanding right now. An explosion is a quick event. Now, a quick question for you. Can you name the 3 main types of galaxies we talked about? Think about it. Yes, spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Great job. Even though we are small, we can understand so much about the vast universe. That is the beauty of learning and exploring together. The universe is vast and full of mysteries. I hope this lesson helped you understand it better while improving your English listening skills. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, please like, share, and subscribe to Extra English TV for more lessons every week. I'm Shayu, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Goodbye, everyone.